Hello friends, in this video we will read another story from the book Value Education, chapter number 3, Responsible Citizenship, and the name of the story is A Change of Heart. And a change of heart means to change one's mind, to have different thoughts regarding anything. कई बार ऐसा होता है ना कि हमारी लाइफ में कोई भी इंसिडेंट होता है और वो इंसिडेंट हमारी हर्ट को, हमारी थिंकिंग को और हमारे माइंड को चेंज कर देता है, हमारे परसेप्शन को वो चेंज कर देता है. एंड दिस स्टोरी इज़ ऑल्सो अबाउट दैट काइंड ऑफ इंसिडेंट. इन द स्टोरी देयर इज़ अ करेक्टर नेम्ड रघु, and he was having the habit of always complaining about the things, about everything. That mean, in spite of looking for the positive aspects, he was always finding fault. और अब स्टोरी में मतलब जिस सिटी में वो रहता है वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश हुई थी. एंड ही सेड नथिंग एवर वर्क इन दिस कंट्री. रघु कंप्लेंट. अब क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश हुई थी तो जो अथॉरिटीज़ थी वो अपना मतलब बेस्ट कर रही थी कि जितनी जल्दी हो सके वो सिटी को एक नॉर्मल पोजीशन में ला सकें, और हर जगह पे मतलब काम चल रहा था. बट रघु कुड सी नन ऑफ दिस, एंड ऑल ही कुड थिंक अबाउट वॉज बीइंग स्टक इन हिज कार इन अ ट्रैफिक जैम ऑन द वे टू हिज स्कूल. And Raghu was going to his school and he was struck in the traffic because there was a tree which had fallen on the road. बारिश की वजह से मतलब एक ट्री रोड पे गिरा हुआ था जिसकी वजह से ट्रैफिक जाम हुआ था. Raghu waited for a long time and he saw that people were getting out of their cars and were walking to school. And he also thought that I should go on foot, otherwise I would be late. And there were some other people also who were complaining just like Raghu. पर उन्होंने ये चीज़ नहीं नोटिस की कि अथॉरिटीज़ की तरफ से वो रोड क्लियर हो चुका था, मतलब पानी वगैरह हटा दिया गया था. एंड द ट्री हैड फॉलन आफ्टर दैट. एंड व्हेन Raghu reached the tree, he found that there were lot of other students also standing around the tree. And he asked them that what they were doing there. And one girl among them, she replied that they were trying to clear the traffic jam. और वो रघु से पूछती है कि will you help us? And Raghu replied, why should I help? कि मैं क्यों help करूँ? This is the government's job, not mine. Why should I care? वो कहता है कि ये गवर्नमेंट की ड्यूटी है, मेरी ड्यूटी नहीं है. Why should I care about this? And then that girl said that if this is the way you think, then go ahead. That mean get lost from here. We are not going to force you to do anything. कि हम तुम्हें force नहीं कर रहे help करने के लिए. But that girl said that I'm going to stay here because this is my responsibility too. Because we cannot wait for the government to act. And we can also see that how much the authorities have been trying to do to get the city back to its normal situation. And they have so much other work to do, and this is small work and we all can do it, and I'm very happy to do it. And then that girl and other students started trying to clear the road. They were all working hard, and in that time of difficulty they all were happy, laughing, and they were enjoying the situation. And when Raghu saw them working together, he felt left out. Left out means when someone is not included in the work. मतलब जब किसी पर्सन को किसी वर्क में शामिल नहीं किया जाता. And he observed their spirit, that they all were feeling happy doing any job. And with that incident, he understood that he also had a role to play, as he is also the citizen of that community. So he joined them to help. And after doing that work, he felt much happier. So this was the incident which changed the mind of Raghu. He felt that just like others, I should also do my responsibility. I should also fulfill my duty towards my country, towards my community. So with these kind of small efforts we can serve our country. So we must come forward to help in any way.